Hello everyone, I hope you guys can see me. Yes, a little bit cold out here, a little chilly today here in New York, but I wanted to just share this quick video because I'm getting ready to head into the bank. I am in my car and I wanted to share this great news because I received a Western Union payment from someone that joined Passive Profits at the $1,000 level. Hey KB, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. To share this payment with you guys. I know my car's a little dirty, but this is what I got in good morning. Western Union payment yesterday for $1,000 for Passive Profits. So I am going to deposit this into the bank. For those that don't know, we've been in business, this is 4 weeks now, and it's going strong, it's moving right along, and we have a lot of people that are joining this opportunity. So I just wanted to share some proof with you guys. We going strong. $1,000 payment. I went and picked it up last night, and so I said as soon as the bank opens, I'm gonna go ahead and deposit it, and just share the news and the information about this opportunity. So for those who have not tuned into any of the webinars, we have webinars every Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have training Thursdays at 5:30 p.m. over-the-shoulder training to show people how to market this opportunity. Not only that, we have a lot of testimonials from newbies who are receiving their first payout, not trying to convince family, friends, not trying to spam their link, but basically just sharing a number using postcards. Okay, we all are going to the same 1-800 number. The way that you get paid is through your ID number, member to member payments. So you can get some of these, okay, through Western Union, money order, cashier's check. They can send you a payment electronically. I do have some money orders here as well that came in from just promoting the opportunity. All of these payments are member to member. You don't have to worry about the company touching your money, but they do give you everything that you need to be successful. Hey Jesse, thanks for tuning in. Let me know where you guys tuning in from. If you're watching this later in the day, hashtag replay. Hashtag replay. But I'm just excited because people out there that have never made a dime or have been struggling are actually getting paid, and it's going straight to their bank accounts. We have closers on the other end that's doing all of the promoting, educating people on how this opportunity works, and that's what you need, especially if you don't know how to market an online opportunity. So I just want to say congratulations to all of those who have been paid. Congratulations to all of those who have joined the opportunity, and congratulations to all of those who are actually just making money. But again, guys, we are winning. Again, another $1,000 payment. I'm excited about this opportunity. I just left the gym, so I am yeah, that's one thing. You got to be consistent with anything. I want to lose some weight, got to be consistent. You want to make money online, you got to be consistent. You want to make money offline, you got to be consistent, and that's how it all begins. So I just want to inspire people, let people know how the program is doing, where we're going with it, how to get started. 1-800 number, it's 1-800-474-1375. ID number is 0001. You can call the number, and a closer will call you back, answer all your questions, get you started, get you the link, so that you can actually sign up. Again, it's 1-800-474-1375. I feel like I'm doing a small commercial. But this is exciting, guys. Hey Travis, hey Charles, hey Leslie, amen. Hey Javen, I'm still waiting for you, Mrs. Brown. Hey Tiffany, thanks for tuning in. Hey Mona, how you doing today? And congratulations to Mona, who just joined, had her first payout yesterday. I closed it. Hey William, I'm excited about that. Congratulations, Mona. That's exciting. Yes, just getting started, guys, and we are taking off. I mean, this is the fastest moving program that I've been in, and I've been doing postcard and direct mail since 2016, and I have not been in anything that has moved this fast. I mean, $1,000, $500 payouts, $250 payouts every single day since I've started the opportunity. Not only that, I'm closing people from the postcards. So people are receiving the postcards in the mail and they're ready to get started. They're just signing up. So that's new. But it's exciting. And normally when you start sending out postcards, it takes about 3 weeks to start working. But actually our first week in, people started getting results. People started signing up. So I'm extremely excited about this. And thank you so much, Travis. Hey, Leslie. I'm excited, guys. Hey, Tiffany. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I normally don't do the morning Facebook lives, but before I went to the bank, I'm like, they got to see this. Because it's inspiring and it's exciting for others and people who are on the fence or they don't know if it really works. This is just to show proof. It's not to brag. It's not to be boastful, but it's to show people that you can work from home and you can earn a full-time income from home if that's what you want to do. Okay, but you got to want to do it and you got to get started. And you can't take forever to get started. You can't procrastinate. You have to just jump in without the life jacket and just make it happen. So I'm excited about this. Yes, it's very exciting. So thanks, guys, for tuning in. Happy Thursday. We're almost here to the end of the week. Tomorrow is Friday. And I'll be back with you guys with another video. But I just wanted to share this payout. Going to put it in the bank. I'm in the parking lot. See that? About to put this money in the bank. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Hey, Mr. Hawkins, Passive Profits. Yes. You see it. My Western Union yesterday. I'm excited. My Western Union yesterday. Yeah, that was exciting. So thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Stay inspired. Stay blessed. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye-bye.